Hello guys, welcome to another video on Scary Baboon.
I'm still
standing.
Let him cook.
Cause don't you know, I'm still standing.
You gotta go back up there. Let him cook. Let him cook.
Better than I ever did. Cooking a piece of salami like
Let's go. I'm gonna get no reason. Let's go this way, guys. This way. Green, this way. Come on.
Go! Bro's built like a slender tubby.
I think I should be fired.
Cause I'm still standing.
Let it cook.
Hey, cuckoo! So he's saying.
Let it cook. Let's go out there. I'm still standing. Guys, let's go in there. Wait, let's go up here. Nope, don't go. Meat man's coming. Do not go up there.
Let him cook now.
Let's let it cook. Let's let meat man cook. You can't get me.
How'd he get me? Bro, what happened to me?
Open.
I'm gonna check out the shop.
Oh, it's not letting us in. Damn. Oh, frick.
What'd you guys do?
We didn't do anything. It's emergency alert. We can't see anything anymore. Guys,
Wait, why did it go off? Why did it go off?
It goes off every 30 minutes. It goes off every 30 minutes. And it lasts for 10 minutes. Damn! We need to fix. I know, it's freaking annoying. I had to deal with this. Guys, we need to book it. We need to go find the whatever thing. If we find let's go back on, okay? I know. We need to do you know the place?
But don't you know I'm still standing?
Get better. Nope, run. Get back in. See?
Get better, you stupid monsters.
You lead the way. Did they disappear? We can't. Look at them. They're huddling up there. We have to distract them. We're distracted right now. Guys, we should just book it. Let's just book it. Come on. Book it.
Where are we going?
I'm still standing. I was stuck in the elevator. They went down there. Go. They went down. Fix it. I can't pull it. Pull up. Pull down. Pull anywhere. Guys, go. On power. I can't do it. Guys, I'll watch. You keep fixing it. Fix it with that pan, guys. I'll watch. Alright. Come on, Bessie. I saw one, guys. Run. Wait.
Where?
I saw one.
Hurry up.
Emergency alert. Get up on that shelf. Or get up here.
Come on, bro.
No, that's the way. That's a different way. We need to go.
What about this? Bro, that's terrifying!
Stop being scared. Yeah, come on, we have to do this for the lights.
Stinky.
You gotta boys, let's go. Actually, boys, do not go. Get better. Oh, come on, guys. Don't go.
Whoa!
Ow, I'm still. No. Get out of my freaking face.
Are you okay?
You have me gone. Guys, we're doomed. times faster than they are.
Yeah, and this lasts like 30 minutes. And we're gonna get murdered violently in
This lasts us 20 minutes. I'm pretty sure it lasts 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
What the? Excuse me? Guys, are you seeing this? Bro. You guys seeing this? No, no. Must be some kind of weird glitch. Bro! Okay guys, that's gonna be it for today, and of course, thanks for watching so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!